हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे, मज़े में होंगे. So today I'm here to explain you or to basically give you an insight about the October promo going on. My inboxes are literally flooded with different messages and I haven't replied to all of them. So I just thought to make this quick video about the October promo, that what it is and how you can get benefit from it. So one of the affiliate companies that we are connected with, they have introduced this offer for the month of October, that those of you who join the business with selected strategies, they would be able to make bigger chunks of commissions from the very beginning. I can explain you more through my example. When I started the business 3.5 years ago, with the best strategy of that time, the maximum I was able to earn through one business contract was $1,250. And now, as a beginner with selected strategies, you can earn up to $3,500 from the same business contract. That's the difference. Basically, you will be able to make three times more what I used to make or what the standard is. So you will be able to earn almost three times more than the standard commission structure, which is huge. So that's the difference basically, and definitely you will be able to learn more about it when you are in the 30-day trial program, because at that time you will be done with the business coaching videos that is about the business model and the commission structure, the details, all the differences and everything. You'll be able to learn about it completely in very much detail when you are in the trial. And if you are someone who is already in the trial, go ahead, book the strategy call with me, and we can discuss in detail about it. But this video is particularly for those people who want to or who wanted to get an insight of this promo. Basically, this promo is offering you to make three times more than the standard commission structure. And the best part is, it's only the right time if you decide to go for the business in the month of October. You will be able to get bigger chunks for life. Why? Because you started at the right time. So that's about it. I will see you inshallah in my next video. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.